Meron po bang connection ang pagsunod kay Lord tsaka ang pag-exercise? Last year po, tinuro sa akin ni Lord yan. I took my board exams po bandang August 2023 and by the grace of God, napasa po natin. Pero syempre, pag nagre-review ka before the board exams, kain ka lang ng kain, di ba? Kasi kailangan mo ng brain food, tol. Yung brain food ko po, lahat ng bawal. Fried chicken, lahat ng masarap. After po ng board exams, I got hospitalized. 3 days. Nag-top notcher po ang aking uric acid, cholesterol, sugar, creatinine. God was telling me, Jik, hindi mo pagmamayari ang buhay mo. Even your eating habits and exercise, kailangan na natin i-add sa buhay mo. And by the grace of God po, tinulungan ako ni Lord mag-diet. And God helped me to eat healthy. And ito po, He added exercise in my lifestyle. Paano po? By the grace of God, in-enroll ako ni Lord sa Air Physio Performance. Isa po siyang sports rehab. For 1 year, tinuruan po nila ako mag-exercise. They helped me strengthen my knees and they helped me make it part of my lifestyle. At ngayon po, sa bahay po, nagbubuhat ako. Not for anything else, pero para po makapag-serve po ako kay Lord. Alam niyo po yung time na to, dinala po ako ni Lord sa isang teleserye, nag-counseling ako ng mga estudyante, and at the same time, may mga speaking engagement. At doon ko nakita na, wow, hindi ko pagmamayari ang buhay ko. Kaya nga po sabi sa Romans 12, di ba? Offer your bodies as a living sacrifice. This is your true worship. And gusto ni Lord in charge siya, spiritual, emotional, mental, and physical health. So that's why we need to be healthy, eat healthy, and exercise to serve God. We do not own our lives, God owns it.